Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, a channel for awesome facts and information. In today's video, we will talk about how I gained a solid ROI on my solar panel investment. Watch this video till the end for a peek at my $4,500 rebate check and to better learn how you can win in your solar journey too. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love financial planning, business, and technology. I saw renewable energy and solar as an avenue to help me gain a high ROI on my solar investment. It was fairly easy for me. Now you may ask why. First of all, I put absolutely no money down, no payments up front. Secondly, I reduced my monthly utility bill. I also understand how it is a solid financial investment for me and my situation. Also, over my last 2 years, I've had over 20 trees removed from my yard and I have a fairly new rooftop. So I don't live in a place that has a lot of power outages, so I didn't expect needing a battery. Also, I researched solar and understood the pros and cons. So after my 1 month evaluation, which we'll have future videos to show you, I see my bill has already lowered, as well as my family is pretty elated that we have solar. Pretty cool, first one in our neighborhood. Overall, we've gotten our $4,000 rebate check, and I'll show you that at the end. This video gives my US residential customers a glance on how to make money by going solar. We hope you learn more about the benefits of going solar. Please let us know in the comment area below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear more, please subscribe for more videos and tune in. Let's go through this solar journey together. Thank you for watching.